Hi everybody, welcome to the Vlog Spot TV. Yeah, I know it's the first time you're hearing my voice after all those tribute videos, but you will be hearing my voice more often because on this channel we'll be talking about real life true crime stories, and I'll be showing you the court paperwork that has been filed with the court. And if I can't show you the court paperwork, I'll be showing you the docket. And the docket is the paperwork that has been filed with the court. And the only reason I say I may be showing you the documents filed with the court is because the first case we're going to talk about is Sweetie Pie's Tim Norman. And that case is a little strange because they're trying to take it out of the public eye. But anyway, let's get started. I'm going to start with the beginning of what happened in this case, just in case you don't know. So we're going to start from the beginning. Sweetie Pies was a reality TV show from 2011 to 2018 and was on for 5 seasons. Miss Robbie Montgomery was one of the original backup singers for Ike and Tina Turner in the 1960s. After her professional singing career ended, Miss Robbie took her mother's soul food recipes and created Sweetie Pies, which originally was in Missouri. Tim Norman is Miss Robbie's son. Okay, so let's get started. Oh, before we get started, I just want to say what you'll see following this is my old channel name, which I'm going to use since I already made the video, but the channel has been hacked, so I can't get into it. But to hear more stories about Sweetie Pies and Making a Murderer, Stephen and Brendan Dassey, which I'm also going to cover, come to this channel, the Vlog Spot TV. And make sure you subscribe so you can get notifications when the videos are uploading. Okay, here we go. The title of this article is Sweetie Pie's star Tim Norman pleads not guilty. And this comes from the Clarion Ledger, and it came out on October 13th, 2020. Okay, here we go. James Tim Norman, who was 41, has pleaded not guilty during a court appearance on Tuesday, October 13th, 2020. Federal prosecutors are saying the death penalty could be issued in the case if Tim is convicted. A request for review has been sent to Washington, D.C., but a final decision is expected to be delayed due to the presidential election. A motion was filed regarding Tim's detention prior to trial, but the judge in the case did not render a decision, which is Tuesday, again, October 13th. The defense argued Tim is not a flight risk due to his ties to the St. Louis community, but also argued that he could return to Jackson to await trial due to owning a business in the capital city. Let me stop right there and just say, where they talking about they filed a motion regarding Tim's detention prior to trial. In another article I read, they were saying that Tim could be held in jail until the date of his trial. Okay, so let's continue. Tim was originally scheduled to make his first appearance in court in St. Louis on October 9th, but it was continued after he hired a new attorney. Okay, let me stop there. Tim originally had a public defender, and now he has hired a new attorney. Okay, let's continue. A status hearing for the attorneys in the case is scheduled to take place in St. Louis on December 2nd. Now, let me stop right there. A status hearing is a chance to review what's going on in the case with the defense attorney and the prosecutor discussing things like discovery, and discovery is reviewing all the evidence. They're also going to be discussing scheduling of hearings on motions filed, trial dates, and possible plea offers. If a plea offer is made, which often happens on status dates, then the defendant would have a chance to talk to his attorney about it. Okay, here we go with the court case documents that were filed in Tim's case. And I'm going to share my screen with you. And I'm also going to explain what this means for the people who are new here. Okay, here we go. And as you can see, this is the United States versus Norman. And I believe this is a federal court case. And up under that, where it says last updated, you can see it was last updated on October 16th, 2020. It's assigned to David Knows. And I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing his name right, but he's a magistrate. The first document that was filed on August 11th. And it says the last document that was filed was August 18th. Okay, so let's go down. Now, this is called the docket. And the docket is just the documents that were filed with the court. The first filing and the docket numbers the documents filed, gives the date it was filed, and the description of the document that was filed. So number 1 was filed on August 11th, 2020, and it was the criminal complaint. Now the rest of this I'm going to skip because there was something else I want to show you, so I'm going to go down to number 6, which was filed on August 11th, and it's the motion to seal the case. That means that someone, and I can't tell who it is here, set a trial date to seal Tim's case so the public won't be able to see it. Okay, and then number 7 is the order granting 6 motion to seal the case. So this order is talking about number 6, which we just went through, and it's coming from Magistrate Knows sealing the case. So I'm not sure if we're going to be able to see anything else on Tim's case because it looks like they've closed it to the public. And then under number 7, dated August 11th, 2020, is when the warrant was issued regarding Tim. And that doesn't have a number. Now we go to number 8, which was filed August 18th. And it's a letter lifting suppression. And that says dash complaint. So I'm going to guess on this. This letter lifting suppression let the public see that the complaint against Tim was filed. But as I said earlier, I don't know if this is going to be in the public or not, but I will let you know. And that's going to do it for me. Thank you for stopping by the channel. Please like and share the video, post your comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.